engineers do it.
Before we start today's video, I would like to ask all my viewers to subscribe to my YouTube channel How Engineers Do It. So share the video among all of your friends and also hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Hello friends, this is Mohammed Shakil here from How Engineers Do It, and in this video we're going to see how we can fix or upgrade the LED TV performance. So first of all, why should we do this? So if you're presently facing any performance issues in terms of sound or video quality, then you should try these steps. Or so to be upgraded with the latest updates from the manufacturer's end, just like we're updating our phones. And the third one, if there is any issue with the sound or video quality, before you're taking it to the service center, it's really worth trying these steps so you can save some money. Alright, now there will be a question in your mind, how difficult this is and how long will it take to do it? So it's just a matter of 2 steps. So the first is to find the right version of the software for your TV and download it and set it up in your USB, and the second is to turn on your TV and run those software files. So this roughly takes around 5 minutes to complete the whole process. So it's just quite easy for any person to do it, even if the person is new to computers or not expert in terms of TV. He or she can still do it. Alright, so let's begin. So firstly, all you need to do is you need to come to this website. I'll be giving this link in the description box below, and you need to drag down and put your TV's model number. So in my case, I've just taken it from the back of my TV. You can also do it the same way, or you can look at the bill. In the example that I'm showing here, this is a pretty old TV. It's a 2012 model, and so when I was upgrading, I was getting a new version, compared to the old software update which I had in my TV already. So now I have come at this place. Now I can go for manuals and downloads, and this is the file that you need to take. So that the file will have the name upgrade file. Now you can just click on download and it will download over here, and you can take show in the folder, and then you can move it to your pen drive, right? So you just put this over here and double click on that file, and all you need to do is an installer will come which will be showing that the files will be extracted in the same pen drive. So this is important. You should not change anything over here. By default it will show to the pen drive as the destination folder. Just click on the extract button, and that will give you these extracted files, merge.bin, right? Now all you need to do is the next step which I was talking about is to turn on your TV and point your TV software upgrade section to this file. So that's all, and then your TV will be upgraded. So let's get into the TV part. Now coming into the TV part, all you need to do is take your remote and click on the menu button and go down to this last option, which is support, and go ahead and select the software upgrade and click over here, and we'll start searching. So in my case, as it's already upgraded one, I will be getting this option that the version is the same. So in your case, you will have an option to say yes, and then the installation will happen. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much, and stay tuned.